Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a Shop Now button on your Facebook page. So it's pretty simple, follow the step. First you need to go to your Facebook page profile. So in order to do that, you can click on the menu at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're inside your menu, at the top it's going to show you your Facebook page name. Click on your Facebook page name and it's going to take you to your Facebook page profile. Over here you can see the three dot. Click on the three dot. Once you click on it, the second option, edit action button, click on it. From edit action button, it's going to show you messages. So right below messages, the edit button, click on edit buttons. And from over here, make sure you untick this message option. Once you untick it, scroll a bit down and you can see this option called view shop. Tick mark view shop. Once you tick mark view shop, over here where it says link to website, click on link to website, and over here paste the link of your website, which means the link of your shop. Now once you paste the link of your website over there, you want to click on save at the bottom. Once you click on save, basically it's done. Now your Facebook page will show you a Shop Now button, and whoever clicks on the Shop Now button will be taken to the website. Now whichever URL you typed over there, that's the website where Facebook is going to take your people or your viewer to when they click on Shop Now. That's how you guys can add a Shop Now button to your Facebook page. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.